Hello and welcome to another episode of 5-Minute Dissertation Diaries. My name is Marty Scholes and today is Sunday, August 7th. Had a great week this week. Let's get right to it. Monday, I updated the strength slide to fix a typo. I recorded a proposal defense practice. I reviewed the recording and I practiced a proposal defense flashcards. Tuesday, I fixed a SurveyMonkey link in the recruitment material. I updated the informed consent and readability documents. I uploaded those to the LDP, part of the IRB documents. I also uploaded the recruitment script and readability to LDP for IRB. Uploaded the link to survey to the LDP IRB. Uploaded the site authorization to LDP IRB. Wednesday, I attended my proposal defense and I passed with the exception that I need to add snowball sampling to the sampling strategy. And I posted the weekly LDP entry. On Thursday, I watched a proposal defense and took notes. Friday, didn't do anything. Saturday, I replaced an older reference with a newer one. I added snowball sampling to the strategy. I watched an IRB webinar on filling out the IRB document, and I filled out and submitted the IRB application. Asked for my chair to review before I do the final submit button. So I filled it out, I didn't submit it. Today, as part of feedback from my dissertation chair during the proposal defense, I studied reflexivity and how to keep a reflective journal. That's it. It's a short week. This coming week, hope to submit for IRB approval and got some other things I want to keep moving forward on the proposal. Hope you're doing well. Take care.